You're watching Grits on Grits. Alright, thanks everybody for stopping back by the channel again today. Got another budget-friendly knife video for you. This one is a Frost Cutlery Ocoee River Trapper. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. Wrapped up in some nice little paper here. Oh, not a bad looking knife there. So you got some mother of pearl handles. Got nickel silver spacers, nickel silver bolsters, brass liners. It's pretty nice. Match strike pulls. Got the back springs are custom filed, and looks like the blades also have the same custom filing on them. Alright, let's take a look at the blades here. Pretty nice looking. Nice, that custom filing on the back looks really nice. Really nice looking knife. Let's see. Let's take a look at the spade point. So this is a classic trapper design. Pretty nice. Alright. You can see the Ocoee River right here on the blade, and they got the little fly there. So the open length of this knife is 7 inches. Yeah. Stainless steel blades. And the closed length is 3 7/8 inches. These will run you about $12 to $20 depending on where you're looking for them at on the interwebs. Amazon has them. They're a little bit more on Amazon, but you can't. I couldn't find this exact model, but there's a ton of Frost Cutlery trappers out there, and different models and different varieties, and they're not bad. I think the fit and finish is really good. If you look at this one, fit and finish on it is really nice all the way around. So not bad. See, nice spring. There you go, and fits in our budget friendly. It's under $20. So there you go. That's another one. That's another one in our budget-friendly knife series. If you like this video, click subscribe, click like, share the video with your friends. Comment down below what your favorite budget-friendly knife is, and we will see you on the next budget-friendly knife video. Thanks for watching.